Hi Year 7s, it's Miss Rowe. I'm just going over a few techniques that we've learnt over the past few weeks in Serif Drawplus. So obviously the one we're using at school is X6, this is X8, but don't worry about that. We're just going to go over a few of the techniques we've used in class. So let's start from the beginning. Let's change the background, so go down to page setup. We'll change the background. We'll go for a different colour today, I think. I'm going to go for red actually, because I never go for red colours in lessons, do I? So let's go for a red back. Right, now we need to make the packaging. So I did the perfume bottle last time. So what we're going to do today is the packaging. So to make it nice and easy for you, what we're going to do is we're going to choose a rectangle. So obviously depending on the size of your bottle, you can change it. I know some people are doing long bottles and short bottles, and some people are doing chocolate. So don't worry about this. We're just showing you some of the techniques. So here we go. Here's our new bottle. Packaging. So let's choose a colour. So I think we'll go for kind of a dark blue, not quite black. There we go. So what we're going to do now is choose the brush tool, and we went through the brushes in class. Obviously the ones I love are photo, and I know some of the girls around the room were using flowers and then chains and things like that. So I'm just going to use the jewels because it's quite a nice colour. So I'm just going to simply use my brush at the top. There's some nice diamonds. If you click the pointer tool in this corner here, you can change the size of that. So you might want to make it a bit bigger. Just go there. Or you change it. Obviously you can make it all the way around your page, entirely up to you. I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Then I'm going to add the name. So I'll stick to my last design, which was Marnie C. Obviously we don't want it that colour, so I know a few of the girls were asking for like golds and things like that. I think you've just got to go through them and find the best colour for you, because I mean if you look, you can get different colours that are similar, similar to gold and similar to silver, things like that. So there's one there, for example. Let's just choose that. Oh, make sure you've got this fill on as well, because that's where I went wrong then. And then we'll just make that a little bit smaller. We could change the font because obviously it's a little bit boring, that font, the Times New Roman, especially for a poster. So go through these, see which one suits your design. I'm going to go for that one. Obviously it's gone over the page, so we need to change that. 64.75. We're going to take it down to 48. So it still can be seen on the picture. You might be thinking, well, actually, I don't want my text that way. I don't really like those diamonds on the side. Right, well, let's change that then. So, for example, rotate your image and we can make it smaller again. So don't worry about that. So what we'll do is say we'll go down to about that size. We'll carry it over here. Obviously, we can get away with pulling it a little bit more across. So, right, so you've got that. And you would like it to be on its side. So we can rotate and make it bigger. So obviously, there's now your new design of your perfume. We could try 72. A little bit big, 72. So I'll go to 48. And then just drag it down a little bit. Obviously it's stretched now, but you can see obviously what I'm trying to show. So there's the new name. You can add under here like 100 mils, etc. And then what we're going to do is, obviously you can use a gallery or you can use different styles, or I've seen some amazing shapes that some girls were using. The quick petal, for example, or a web cog. Let's try the petal. So we're going for a design and it's a petal. So let's just choose, again, we're going to go for that kind of silver colour. That's just for preference for this. So let's just go there. We've gone for that. Obviously, I'm not really into the floral for this design. So let's change it. So here we go. Slowly change it. So it's now a cog. Obviously, you can make it as flower-like as you want. So let's put that in keep that in the corner. Make sure you're using the correct tools, which I wasn't then. So let's just choose that. Or we can have it right in the centre. Again, it all depends what you want on the box. So this is a dark midnight blue at the moment. I'm going to go into styles. So choose styles, and then let's make it look a bit more box-like. So this one here, if I zoom in, you'll see it does look quite like a perfume box. There you go. It's all very distinct lines. So we'll just, when it loads, it's gone a little bit, a bit of an error, I think. All right, there we go. That's perfect. So you can see now it's textured. So you've added texture to your packaging. And this is obviously what we're looking for. We're looking for a brilliant bottle of perfume or a chocolate bar. I mean, I walked past one student in year 7 the other day and they've designed an amazing eyeshadow palette. Well, that's fantastic, all with the different colours. I'll ask in school next week, once we've marked them, and maybe see if we can get some of the best designs onto YouTube as well. So you can have a look at them later and show your friends at home and your families. Okay, so that is it for this lesson. Very short lesson. I just wanted to show you some of the features that you can use in this project. So I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone's designs, whether you've chosen perfume, makeup, food, whatever. I can't wait to see all your designs. Okay, right, well that's it for now, year 7s. I'll see you in lesson on Monday.